Welcome, Milano family, to another edition of the Milano Cooking Show. And today we're making, again, something really, really crazy simple. We're making sloppy sliders. We're using our Hawaiian, King's Hawaiian bread, of course. And we've got a fabulous, simple, delicious menu, or excuse me, recipe for you. Look at this. Look at how gorgeous it is. So you stay tuned. Watch how we make this. It's easy, easy. The directions are down below. Take a peek. Let's start off with this. So I already put a little bit of olive oil in, and we're going to pop in the onion, and I did red peppers. Get that going. And then we're also going to put in a little bit of garlic. Then we're going to add in, I'm going to give it a little twist here. We've got our chili garlic sauce. So we're just going to put a little bit here. We're going to add in about a half a cup of ketchup. And we're going to stir it up. We're going to let this go just for a few minutes. So we'll be back in a flash. We're just about at that stage. It's looking darker, kind of almost caramelized. So we're going to add in a little bit of red wine vinegar, just give it a little something. Then we're going to add in a little mustard. We're going to add in about a tablespoon of brown sugar to give it that sweetness. A little bit of Worcestershire. And then I'm going to add a little garlic salt. A little bit of pepper. Not too much. We're going to stir this up, and we're going to then add in the meat. We're going to add in the ground beef. The beef is completely cooked. And now all we're going to do, we're going to add in some tomato sauce. I'm going to kind of eyeball it. I want to see how much I should add. I don't necessarily want the whole can, but we'll see. I don't think I'm going to use the whole can. No, I used about a half. And we're going to be ready to serve. So stand by. We'll be right back. Guys, we're back. And we've got our King slider buns. We've got our fabulous sloppy slider mix. It's ready to roll. So let's make one of these. Got some little pickles, have some chips. Let's have a fun little lunch. I'll put two of them right here. Well, it's going to be a mess. I just know it. Hold on. Let's just move this here. I'm going to take this, put it much lower. We're going to take this. Oh, it's sloppy, all right. Okay, so hold on. We're going to go like this. We're going to go like this. And, oh my God, look at this. This is the final product of our sloppy sliders. So I hope you guys enjoy them. Give me your comments. I want to hear how much you love them. So maybe we're going to see you in the showroom, or we'll definitely see you on the next edition of the Milano Cooking Show. We'll see you then.